my beautiful Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? Thank you so very much on the love of my last episode, which came out very, very, very late on Friday. I don't know what happened. The upload just took forever. But that episode was super special because for the first time in about 6-7 years, Ole decided to do an episode with me for the very, very, very first time. And thank you so very much for all of the compliments, for all of the best wishes. It means a lot to me. It really does. I bullied him. I said, Ole, let me tell you something. You don't come on my show, no cookies for a month. Let me see how you're going to work that out. I was serious too. I said, come on, support me. Only joking. He liked it too. He liked it. But like so many of you said on the episode, we are opposite. All right, we are having a wonderful episode today. Before I start, I have an Amazon storefront. I have an American Amazon storefront. I am going to get an Amazon UK storefront because I feel that you guys have found a niche in me and it's all about how-tos, and I don't mind that. But I also want you guys to have direct access to all of the products where you can just click and buy. And so I'm going to put them in my Amazon storefront. I've had my Amazon storefronts for about 4-5 years and I really didn't use them as much, but now I will. So I will make a UK storefront for you guys as well, because all the products I mentioned will be in the UK storefront down in the description box below. Where for me, if you just see the little arrow, click on it, it will collapse, meaning that it will unfold and you will see all of the information right there below. All of my discount codes will be right down below. All of the ingredients right down below. Everything will be in the description box. Every once in a while, I'll go into the comment section, pin something for you guys where I'll make the comment and I'll pin it so that no matter what, when you want to leave a comment, you see my comment there. If it's something where I feel that, you know what, you guys just might not go into the description box, I'll put it there for you guys. Okay, do you love my wig, Shirley? I've worn it a couple of times and it's just easy. I love it and it's just easy. Sweatshirt is by H&M. Yes, I just got it, and I was telling my Insta sisters, follow me on Instagram, Fumi Desalu-Vold, because I'm always at the stories right there. I have a personal shopper, Toma. I love him. He's Italian. He's so fabulous. Right now, he is in Valencia. He's on vacation, but Toma is fantastic. He's my personal shopper at H&M. Well, he does H&M, he does Zara, he does Mango, used to do Topshop, all the high street stores for you guys, because I film literally every day. I'm running out of wardrobe choices. So I get stuff from those particular brands because I want you also to have accessibility to them. Does that make sense? Because you'll be like, Fumi, we love this. Where did you get this fabulous sweatshirt from? And I got this from H&M. I think they have New York. I think they have Roma. I think they have Moscow. I think they've got Chicago, Los Angeles, Atlanta. I think they have India. Yes, they do. India is huge here in England because they play cricket. Mwah, they're so fabulous. Anywho, what are we talking about today? How to whiten your eyes. How to brighten your eyes. I live for this because for the longest time, it was a big thing for me. Because my teeth are white and they're bleached. As you very well know, I bleach my teeth. I clean my teeth. And I go to my beautiful dentist, Dr. Kev. Fumi Teeth is the discount code. Fabulous. So they gotta match. Unless they're like, ooh, your eyes look a little dusty. First thing, because it's really two things. First thing, sleep. Sleep. I will pass on my ladies that have had babies, just had babies, because when I had Adrian for the first year, I did not sleep. My eyes were as red as tomato juice and there was nothing I could do about it. All right, you have to try and get some sleep. It will help lessen the redness in your eyes. Absolutely. All right. Try not to have irritated things touching your eyes, your waterline. If you are somebody that wears glasses and you get really watery eyes because you're trying to put on that liner in the waterline, don't do it. Your eyes are aggravated for a reason, because perhaps yours are much more sensitive than others. So you have to really listen to your body and listen to what it's telling you. If you are reacting to something, it's because you're doing something wrong, and in so doing it's reacting to let you know that it's not working. Contact lenses sometimes, dirty fingers, that's another thing, can make the eyes look dusty, grimy, red. You don't want any of that. Then, my darlings, because we're going to keep it real simple, it's not that crazy, the game changer for me, there will be nothing ever like Optrix. Optrix brightening eye drops for dull eyes, for dazzling eyes in an instant. Optrix. This is it. And this are the eye drops right here. I tell you, when you open it, the seal, don't let it touch your eye. You put one drop in, there you go. Stay upside down. Let that really soak in. Yeah. One more there. Now, this, I'm just doing it for you guys to see how it's done, okay? Although I am positive that you know how to, put your eye drops. Make sure it doesn't touch your eye. But here's the kicker. Do it just before you sleep. Your eyes will be white all day long. And it occurred to me, because once you do it, shut your eyes. You're resting. You're shut down for 8 hours. There's no dust coming into your eyes. That's another thing. You have passers-by that are smokers. You have machinery. You have chimneys. You have all kinds. You have to try to avoid that, because it does affect your eyes. When you take the eye drops, can you see? When you take the eye drops, do it just before you go to sleep. And go ahead and do all of your skin treatments for under eye and all of that. And then what I do, little bit of Vaseline. I coat the entire eyeball, lashes. And I dream of beautiful things. My husband, Adrian, opportunities, work, lists that I have to take care of during the week. And I pat myself on the back for all that I've done, for how far I've come. I pray for good health, for family, friends, cyber sisters like you. And I dream of beautiful things. And when I wake up in the morning, my eyes are bright, like my teeth. Optrix will be in my Amazon storefront. I will make sure and put that in. And like I told you guys, once I finish this episode, it's a Monday, I will start to put together my storefront for the UK. But of all the brightening, whitening eye drops, and I've used quite a number of them, nothing like Optrix. You have to make sure it's the pink package, okay? I'll put it for you guys to see. But this, as you can see, absolutely fantastic. They're calling me again. Okay, I'll get back to you in a minute. My agent. I went for an audition. They loved me. And they're calling me back. This is where the nerves start to set in, because you know that they're interested, but how far will they go? Will you get it? Won't you get it? You're always, hopeful. But that's my agent calling me. And this time I'm negotiating money up front. I'm just negotiating, It is what it is. Optrix. have 6 hours if you can't do the 8. Try and take them before you sleep. The directions in the back. Let me just say this right here. Yes, important. Consult your pharmacist or doctor before you use them. If you are pregnant, have an eye disease, if you've had any eye surgery, extremely important. You are taking any medicines, are receiving medical treatment for high blood pressure, depression, heart disease, diabetes, thyroid disorders. Should not be used, capital, should not be used every day. And they're right. And I don't. I use them when I feel that they're looking dull. And so that'll be every 4 days, maybe 5 days. Experts in eye care, optrex.co.uk. So this is a British brand. You will most probably have to get a friend of yours who can send it to you from the UK. For dazzling eyes in an instant. Just look. Optrex brightening eye drops gently revive the brightness of your eyes for extra whiteness and dazzling results. Make your eyes look and feel beautiful. Contains natural plant extracts. I had to read it out for you guys because I don't want you to run out there and take it without making sure that it is aligned to whatever health issues you might have. It's extremely important because as this channel grows, I am fully aware that the responsibility will lie completely and heavily on my shoulders if I don't say any of this. But yes, darlings, Optrex, the absolute best. The absolute best. You want bright eyes? There you have it. All right? So, I will see you when? I will see you very soon, my darlings. Have a fantastic Monday. You know I love you, my darlings. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe, hit the notification button so that you can get all of my videos on a regular basis because I film literally 4 or 5 videos. Somebody said, Fumi, can you film more videos? And I said, when, darling? I'm married. I want to see my husband. I have a kid. I want to play with my child. So it has to be 5. I can't do more than 5. You know, maybe I can upload more videos in a day, but that's too much. That's desperate. That's like pushing it, like, Fumi, leave us alone. Don't jump down our throat. Follow me on Insta stories. How about that? Follow me on Insta stories because I upload constantly behind the scenes and all of that. And talking about behind the scenes, we are going to have an updated on our fitness. How are we doing, my darlings? How are we doing? We're doing okay. We're doing okay. And then we have some lightning brightening of the knees and the elbows and of the bottom. Yes, a lot of you said I should do a vaginal hygiene. I will. A lot of you said that I should do a menstrual hygiene. I will. And I'm here. Auntie and mommy is here. And I will teach you nothing to be ashamed of. No problem. We've gone through it. And I will show you everything step by step, all the products that I've used so that you don't have any odor. You don't feel awkward when you're out with friends. You're sitting watching a movie, whatever. You don't feel awkward. For my younger girls that are 15 and 16, you can still play sports. You know, you're a woman. Congratulations. You are coming into another world and we will celebrate it together. Okay, my darlings, I will see you later. Mwah. Do we love, darlings? Do we love? I love. I live.